Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can search only PDF files on Google for a specific topic. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. We need to open Google Chrome first. So type Chrome in the Windows search bar, click on it, maximize it, and now we are in the Google. Now, how can we come up with a result that are only or that is only PDF? Okay, it's just very easy. Just click on the search bar and let's say for example, I'm going to search for computers. So I'm just going to type here computer. Now, how can you make it that the results will just be in PDF format? It's very easy. Once you type the word you need to search, put a space. So press space key and then type file, type, and then put a colon, then the PDF format or type PDF. Okay, so the same thing as what you can see on the screen. So if you are searching for any other topic like what is a computer, put a space and then make sure to do not forget this one, file type colon PDF. Okay, space file type colon PDF and hit enter. And now as you can see for the results, these are all PDF. This one right here, PDF. From Georgia Highlands College, it's PDF. You have here from Jordan University of Science and Technology, PDF. You have here for Government Polytechnic Nanakpur, PDF. From University of Babylon, PDF, Characteristics of Computer. From Wikipedia, The History of Computer, it's PDF. So that's it. That's how you can easily search for a specific topic with PDF as the results on the topic that you have searched. Okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.